2.
The P.
Me versus monkey butt.
Oh my god. Miniguns are... Oh my god.
I wasn't gonna use that. I just picked it up.
Yes, you were. I saw you. Let's pull that out. I'm still close to the
This is gonna be a 5-minute video of you, me, and killing each other. Well, I got way more kills than you.
Yeah, that's because you've been playing.
Yeah, I've been grinding kills, guys. As you can see at my kills, this is just some way to get XP.
And I'm not wearing my coat. Oh shit.
Brody, friendly family. Oh yeah, you're at white. You're at white, not blue. Oh my gosh, quit healing!
That was practice. Why did you guys take so long to get that?
Because we were just
walking. Yes, sir.
playing around.
Brody's, I want to get 460 because yesterday I reached 400 kills. No, guys, I'm gonna make a video congratulating me. When I get to 500 kills, I'm gonna make a video I'm gonna unpause it.
Stand still, mouse.
No.
So then on my drive over there,
Oh my
I
god.
looked on Target. Yeah. It actually had cilantro. Like, fresh cilantro. Hey, did you taste this or you didn't even taste it? Yeah.
Oh, are you actually hiding a book? Well, what the fuck? Oh, what the fuck?
Alien!
Mouse, stand still. Mouse, stand still in the open.
What? No.
No, I got a nose poke. Ready?
Sucker!
Harry could have it all. How much kills do you have?
463.
No, like right in this game.
Oh, 6.
I have 5.
Bernie, do you want any more fried rice?
Now I have 6.
Fried rice?
Oh! I'm gonna try to recreate his moment.
What the fuck? Ready? How much health you have?
At 26.
Big, I'm at 1!
Oh! With the thunderbolt. What's wrong with my aim?
Stand still! Some on the max are going back on.
No.
No?
Yeah.
Max.
Go away!
Aliens. That's where I want to be. Aliens. That's who I want to see.
I'm in my office.
Hey.
It's a boy.
They just dropped on me today.
I just got some creative playtime.
Yeah, me too.
Sorry.
Oh, I'm about to level up boy sacks. I don't know why. Wait, I think I just. Oh, I leveled up.
Well, stop.
Oh, you just jumped.
Yeah. You only need 20 more kills.
I know! And I'm the best at MKs.
Yeah, but I used to be.
Yeah, that's how I became the best. I used to be the second best. Then you like started saying MKs were trash.
Yeah, they are trash now. Because now my settings are all messed up, and now there's trash. They zoom in way too close.
There's some big XP.
What?
Oh, yeah, I'm getting some big XP. Pickaxe battle!
No. There's another Kenny incident under the table.
Hey!
Hey, you shot me!
Oh my god. Like what? I'm allergic.
Get your stupid. Well, you cheated.
Hey, your Blade is calling me. I'll call you back in. Wait, I'm adding Ronan.
I'm like, what? This is after he licked the lip.
What did you say?
And I was like, dude, let me see it. Sure enough.
Okay, guys, Ronan's gonna be in the grand finale!
Blue, green.
I'm so close to 500 kills in the pit!
From the school.
From the school.
And I'm like looking at the expiration and it was
Ronan, if you were at school today, you wouldn't have to wear a mask, and they just literally added mask back today.
Are you sure it wasn't like blueberry?
no,
Blueberry chip.
it was mold.
Ronan, why weren't you at school today?
The day off.
Yeah.
Well, you should have went to school because there was no masks.
Ronan, you didn't go to school?
Yeah. And
Why?
And it was the only day that we didn't need to wear masks.
Yep, you need to wear masks.
And then they added it back. So if you went today, you like, boy.
I requested to join.
Go to the bathroom and I'll go down to the cafeteria.
I'm at 5 HP! And guys, I started recording again. Just let Brody kill you. I started recording again because Brody is about to reach 200 kills in the pit.
He's 2 kills away. Let's team on him so we can't get 2 kills.
No.
Look, I can!
We have to get down! No, Brody, just let him kill you.
No. He's not gonna let me kill him. Stop!
Guys, it's the grand finale! What, bro? Everyone look at Brody. Wait, Brody! Just kill me.
No.
You want to earn your kill? Oh! Brody got 200 kills! We're not gonna party for you. Guys, I'm gonna record. Everybody, I am so close. Oh, I've been grinding this game.
Technically, I have more kills than Brody, but fuck it! I do technically have more kills than
Technically, yeah, technically Ronan does have more kills than you.
Technologically, yeah, I have more than I have about like 400.
And I'm about to get 500. Kind of like, guys! Oh! Oh my God, guys! I need 500 kills.
You just hit 500.
That like when Brody reached 200 is not that big of a deal. But like when I reach 500, that's just some way bigger of a deal.
When you hit 500, that's gonna be so cool. Down naughty. Right now.
I've been waiting, so I just can't wait till I get to 1,000 kills.